Hello, everyone. Today, I'm proud to introduce the Innawei full automatic Pita bread and Roti production line, your complete solution for modern, efficient, and hygienic flatbread production. Our line starts with a high-performance dough mixer, ensuring perfectly mixed and consistent dough every time. Then, the Pita and Roti making machine automatically shapes each piece with precision, ideal for Pita, Roti, Chapati, Shawarma bread, or Lavash. Next, the dough moves into our high-quality oven, where it's baked evenly to golden perfection. Finally, the automatic packaging machine seals in freshness, ready for delivery or sale. The entire system is made from stainless steel 304, built for durability, energy efficiency, and easy cleaning. With customizable capacity, online support, and 1-year warranty, Innawei delivers the power of automation to your business. Choose Innawei, where tradition meets technology in every piece of bread you make.